Coming up on TLDR from GeekWire, the World Health Organization recognizes gaming disorder as a disease, why naked bicyclists were spotted on Lime bikes, spin, and OFO bikes in Seattle, and my review of Amazon's fashion-focused Echo look. From GeekWire, it's TLDR, our news rundown on tech, business, and other geekiness. For people addicted to video games, seeking treatment might get easier. According to the New York Times, the World Health Organization is adding gaming disorder, or video game addiction, to a new draft of the International Classification of Diseases. Mental health and gaming professionals have seen more and more patients about gaming disorder, but patients haven't always found the help they need. The designation from the World Health Organization could help legitimize the disorder and encourage people to seek and provide treatment. The gaming industry has refuted the designation, arguing that there's a lack of scientific basis. Opponents of the designation also cited gaming's educational, therapeutic, and entertainment value. In other news, you might want to wipe off the seat of the next bike share bike you take for a ride. In Seattle, the Fremont Solstice Parade's 25-year-old naked biking tradition got a lot more colorful. GeekWire spotted Lime bikes, spin, and OFO wheels in the mix during Saturday's parade. Participants often wear body paint during the parade, and we spotted streaks of paint on at least one Lime bike after the event. We contacted bike-sharing companies about their clothing policies, and OFO said, "While we don't have a policy mandating that people must be clothed when riding our bikes, we anticipated the possibility that there might be unclothed riders during the Solstice Parade, so we had our Seattle operations crew on hand to sanitarily clean the bicycles afterwards." If you're really into fashion and post a lot of OOTDs to Instagram, then you'll love this. And finally, I recently got my hands on Amazon's new Echo look. It's an Alexa-enabled device. So it has the same features as an Echo, but it also takes photos and 6-second videos of your outfits with the help of built-in LED lights and a voice-controlled camera. The Echo Look app also has a feature that uses machine learning to help you decide between two outfits. You can watch my full review and unboxing of the Echo Look at youtube.com/geekwire. And if there are other products or gadgets you want us to try out, leave a comment down below. I'm Starla Sampako. Thank you so much for watching TLDR. I'll see you tomorrow.